Before we head into the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Each video we pick 5 random subscribers from the comments, open a pack for them and ship it to them. So, have fun with the video. Hey guys, today we'll be opening the Evolving Skies booster display. If you want a chance to have a pack opened for you, then make sure to comment on this video. And on the next video I'll be opening 5 packs for 5 subscribers from the comments. So let's get into it.
I'm so excited! I'm so excited!
There's some really cool pulls in this. There's some alternate art secrets, for example the Umbreon VMAX, which goes for over $500. And yeah, that's why also it's quite expensive. So for half a booster display you pay around $200. So yeah, it's quite expensive already. Let's see if we can get something good. So we have 18 booster packs with 10 cards each. Okay, first pack. So the Pampaku again, Searat, Slacker, Shapiro Reverse Holo, Gigalith, Energy and Shopping Center. Okay. I will just also show you the code right here. So the quality is really good on these actually. Bibi, Psyduck, Swablu, Searat, Boost Shake, Tropius for the rare, Energy card and Copycat, Ice Cube, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, and I already opened one of these and I've literally gotten nothing. I think not even a V card, which was quite crazy. Oh, let's see if we can get a bit luckier this time. Ooh, oh my god, I can already see something. Oh, I spoiled. Ooh, let's see. Bergmite, Wishy-Washy. Ooh, Flareon VMAX 18. I have no idea if this is good.
Is it good?
It looks insane actually. I really like this art. Very nice card. Cool. We have an Energy, Pyro, Scroll of the Fanged Dragon, and an Ursaring. Nice. And the code for you. The Pikachu. Nice. Applin, Lillipup, Molga, Tentacool, Scraggy for the reverse, Drampa for the rare, Energy, Gordy, Nuzleaf, and the code. This one, we have the Dweppler, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Stormy Mountains, oh, Kuram Holo, nice, an Energy card, Raihan, Omni, Fluffy, the code. Next one. Okay, we have the Woobat, Chimpoli, Psyduck, Eevee, Cutiefly, ooh, Teddiursa, that's cute, Gogilaf for the rare, Energy, Crystal Cave, and the code. Okay, we have the Tentacool, Pikachu, Searat, Lillipup, Regan, Copycat, ooh, Sylveon VMAX, nice, it looks cool as well. But these cards all if you get these in the alternate art, and they are quite expensive. But in the normal versions they are all like a few bucks, I guess. Next one. Searat, Woobat, Eevee, Woobuffet. Ooh, Jumpluff Holo, that's nice. Energy, Snorlax Badge, Gory. That's it. Usually when I open these packs, like without filming, then I just leave them all right away because I'm scared that something will happen. But when I'm making a video I just want to go fast, so I'll just leave them afterwards. Caravana, Smeargle, And the code. Come on, let's get something good. 2 VMAXs so far. Oh, I think I can see something in here. Slug off, Fatty Wheel, Broken Roller, Jump Love, and Trevenant V. Okay. Energy, Rescue Carrier, Crystal Cave. Have a look and the code. Come on, can we get it back to back maybe? Sableye, Nickit, Redmite, Groggeist, Energy, Swoobats, and the code card. Okay, it's blue. No. Batteria, Energy, Lantern, and the code card. Okay, last 2. The title of this video should be How to Waste $200. Flavivi, Kavanha, Traveler, Drowsy, Scraggy, Gaudy Reverse. Oh my god, what is this? 213, oh! What is this? Lycanroc VMAX Secret. Wow, that's insane. Holy shit. I have to sleep this right away. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Very cool. Wow. We have 2 more packs. Come on. Let's get something good. Pop it. Oh. What is this? 94. Umbreon V. Nice. That's nice. Energy, Snowleaf Badge, Gaudy, Sweetness. Not bad. Okay, let's make a cut here into this last pack. Okay, so last pack. Oh, I can see something. Come on, let it be something good, please. Timpoli, Cutify, Applin, Sarmans, ooh, and a Glacian V. Nice. It looks really beautiful as well. And honestly, the quality of these is very good. It's just slightly off center, but except that, there's no damage whatsoever. Very nice card. Wow. Cool. Energy, Grasso, Switching Cups, Badge, and the code card. Okay, we'll just go over the results really quickly. We have Lycanroc VMAX, we have Sylveon VMAX, we have the Flareon VMAX, we have Umbreon V, we have Glacian V Full Art, we have Trevenant V, and that's pretty much it. So if you talk about value, we have like 21 euros in value, and we paid I think around 190 euro, it's like 200 US dollars. So yeah, you have to get really lucky on the set and get one of the alternate arts. I mean, I like the cards that we got, just the value is not that good. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to follow me on my social media. And also, if you do receive the cards, make sure to tag me. I'm really happy to see the photos once you receive the cards. And see you next time.